Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Notion offline access for better productivity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Notion for offline access, begin by launching the Notion application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your Notion account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the sidebar. In the settings menu, locate the offline section. Toggle the enable offline access option to activate it. Next, ensure that your most important pages are marked for offline access. Open each page you want to use offline. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of each page. Select the Enable Offline option from the drop-down menu. This action will save the selected pages for offline use. To check which pages are cached, revisit the Settings menu. Review the list of offline pages to confirm your selections. After configuring offline access, disconnect your internet connection. Open Notion again to test if your selected pages are accessible. Make any necessary adjustments in the settings as needed. Now you can work without an internet connection. Remember to reconnect to the internet periodically to sync updates. This configuration will greatly enhance your productivity on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.